Alright, so I got these LED headlights for my VTX 1800 2004. I bought these at Amazon, and so I'm just gonna open it and check it, and this is how it comes. Okay, it's got a harness, so it's an adapter. All right, so for a different socket. Okay, I know my bike uses, this is, I think, the H4. Yeah, this is the H4. All right, and also, in order for it to fit, I had to get an adapter. And this is the adapter kit. Comes with a couple of bolts and comes with these rings. So I'm gonna get the headlight fitted in this and installed on the bike, and then we're gonna measure to see if there's any difference in how bright it gets. Okay, so now to disassemble the headlights, we got a couple of screws. So one here, the other one here. So let's get them off. Okay, now the whole set comes off. That's basically it. You pull it up like that, and we're basically just gonna disconnect, and we need to get the chrome cover off, and this is what we're gonna fit to that metal adapter that came, which is this one. So we're gonna fit this here and put the chrome on it. Actually goes this way, like this. No, it goes this way. So basically, it's gonna fit like this, if you can see it. All right, so a few other screws, one here. And I think this one should come out. Okay, still got a couple, you see? You got a couple of screws that hold the chrome cover in addition to that one on the top. Okay, so the chrome cover is gonna come out like that. You got the chrome cover out. Okay, so here's what I figured out. We have to put this one goes in first into the chrome case or casing, and then you go in with the headlight like this. All right, see if that's somewhat leveled, and then you come in with this black ring. So, and then you tighten everything together. Yeah, it doesn't align well.
I mean, it feels a little bit weird.
Yeah, it's not perfect, but let's tighten it. Let's see if this works. holds together. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Looks good. That actually works. Okay, so now that you've assembled, you know, the headlight onto the, you know, the chrome casing, I've got to clean it too. Well, you're just gonna connect, you know, the electrical part like this, very simple. My bike doesn't have DRL, so if you have DRL, you're gonna use this wire here. So I'm just gonna cover it. It doesn't have DRL. I'm just gonna shove it in there and then stick it here. That's basically it. And back with the screws, a couple of screws. Now just be careful so you don't cross thread these screws. They're kind of a pain to thread again. That's it. Very simple. Now let's test to see if it makes a difference in lighting. Now let's measure the brightness of the new headlights, and as you can see, it gets up to 1700 lux. Quite an improvement from the old one, which you can see only achieved 1000 lux, and this is low beam. I didn't measure high beam, so quite a difference. All right, so look at the difference. Looks cool, huh? Yeah, and I rode it for a few minutes in the dark, and it's a world of a difference. It just lightens up a lot more, especially high beam. I didn't measure the looks for high beam, but it is a significant improvement over the OEM halogen lights. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thank you.